Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are at the Rideau Canal here in SmithFalls, Ontario today. We're gonna see what's biting. I got a couple things rigged up, ready to go. I'm gonna start with search bait, like a crankbait, and hopefully we can't catch something. Pike have been biting really well lately. It'd be nice to get a couple of those big boys on, or maybe some walleye. If we get walleye, we might keep them. But stick with me, stay tuned, and let's get this done. Let's hope to catch some fish today.
Alright, let's get this started. We're going to start with the original rattle trap in blue and silver. And sometimes you get mess-ups like that. I'm hoping there's something biting today. Except for a lot of weeds. A lot of seaweed. Might have to go to a less weedy part. Oh, just like that. Got on top water. Yep. The wind picked up. Yeehaw. I should have went with a buzz bait. Think so? Let me know in the comments below. This one is essentially just like a hula popper, or a jitterbug, essentially. It's just a little bit longer, makes a bit larger of a wake. Now, if there's anything feeding on top water, it's going to be pike right now, because I think the water's still too cold for bass to be biting on the top of water. But I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, many times. And I got weeds already, and I'm on top water. I only got like maybe a half hour to fish, and then I got a dinner date with the girl and her kids. So that could be fun. I might walk up and try along the dam there, or the bridge. I'm trying to work the shoreline here. Still looking for a trailer for the Ernie B. If anybody knows, anybody has a cheap one, or could possibly do payments on one, let me know in the comments below. It'd be greatly appreciated. It's a 14-foot aluminum, just for size wise. I'd really like to get the boat in the water this year. I plan on taking the Zodiac out, aka the bass tub, later, probably this week, Friday night maybe. Just up the Napanee River, see what's up on the end towards Camden East. Okay, I'm gonna walk down a little bit. See a lot of fish being caught lately on 613. It's kind of nice. Gotta watch for ticks too, they're quite heavy right now. Trying to be careful where I stand. I don't really want a tick. Always checking myself. Can't be too safe. Still think it's too early for topwater, personally. But you never know. Don't know, might have to move down. A couple public docks. Let's see if we can't catch something off of them. And it's still really weedy here too. Wow. I guess it's not so bad out this way. Oh yeah. We're going to start with the Mike Bucca baby bull shad. I haven't caught anything on this one yet. It's a jointed swim bait. It's rather expensive. And I'd like to catch something on it someday. Now that I know it's a sinking bait, I'll let it sink a little bit. Plans change. We're not going to have dinner at the park. We're going to wait and eat when we get home. I was really looking forward to eating outside at the park since it's really beautiful outside. Like, it is so nice out here.
So, nothing biting at the Rideau Canal. At this point of making this outro, I don't know if I'm even going to upload this video, but if I do, I've been here about an hour, and there's nothing biting. I don't know if it's the water's too cold or I'm in the wrong spot of the canal, but oh, not my luck. But video upload this, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you on the next one. In the words of John B. from the Guggen Squad, keep fishing, never stop. And if you have a chance, get the kids out there and introduce them to something other than entertainment system like PlayStation, Xbox, PC, something like that, maybe Switch. Introduce them to fishing. It might be an expensive hobby, but it's better than sitting in front of a screen all day long. So I'll catch you next time on Bradshaw's Outdoors.